Hi, this is Bipolar Scrapbooking. I want you all to know, even though I don't work and I'm home all day long, I want you to know how difficult it is to hear my dog lick herself all day long. Oh my God, I'm turning it like the wrong. Oops, sorry guys. Oh my God, can you see her?
She's got a good spot there.
Oh no, I have just disturbed the woman. And that was PG. Publish when ready. I'm uploading. See, I'm doing this video on iPhone. And I have to tell you, iPad is much more flattering. It makes you, oh, let me see if I can pop you up here. Can I do that? Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Stay. Stay. My dogs are confused right now. What are you talking about? I'm not moving. Am I able to flip this thing over? No, I'm not. Ugh. Are you trying to tell me something? Are you trying to say something? Sometimes dogs don't have to say one thing. They just give you that death look. But I'm looking down because I'm looking at a red dot. Normally I don't do that. There is nobody out there. Nobody is out there. I want you to know that. I think the wasp is knocking on the door. There's nobody out there. Alright. I'm going to take away my flyaway hairs. Alright, I'm eating crapola. Okay. I'm just so liking these selfies. They're like so freaking awesome. Right, you guys are going to get a whole bunch more freaky diggy videos from me. So, be entertained. Be thoroughly entertained. Love you. Bye-bye. Love. Love. Sorry. Bye.